Okay, continuing with the It Depends series. This one I'm talking about risk. And the question of risk management, and there's a lot of debate in the project management community, when we use the word risk, what does it mean? Many people think of risk as threats, basically things that could go bad and could affect the project or anything else. But in the context of project management, risks are viewed as threats that could hurt the project objective. However, some people look at risk management as risk are anything uncertain, and PMI usually follows this school of thought that basically their definition is that risk is an uncertainty. So basically anything that is any uncertain event that if it happens, because risks are futuristic, because we're looking at risk as something that could happen in the future. So it's an uncertain event in the future. If it happens, it could produce either negative or positive impact on project objective. Now, what does that mean? If it's produced negative consequences, then we call it threats. And if it produces positive consequences, we call it opportunity. Now, many people talk about negative risk and positive risk. Technically, that's not a proper way of seeing things. Risk is a risk, is an uncertain event. If it happens, it could cause damage or it could cause something good. So is it a threat or an opportunity? That is one school of thought. So they view risk as either or. Other school of thought, they think of risk as only threats. So basically, risk management is equivalent of something like threat management. Now, which one do you follow? I personally like one way, but it doesn't really matter what I think or what I like. What I propose is, whether you think risk or threat, only or threat and opportunity, what's important for you is to manage threats and opportunities. You want to call them risks, or you want to call them risks and opportunity, up to you. It depends on your preference. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that we really need to manage threats and opportunities. And of course, later on we can talk about maybe also issues, but that is a separate subject altogether. Thank you.